Why should you use the cache-aside pattern for backend caching? Imagine trying to find a book in a huge library. Instead of searching every shelf, you check a small list of popular books first. If it's not there, you go to the main shelves, find it, and add it to your list. That's similar to what the cache-aside pattern does in backend systems. It helps speed up data access and makes your application more scalable. When your application needs data, it first looks in the cache, which is like a quick access storage. If the data is there, it gets it instantly, making your app faster. If not, it fetches the data from the database, stores it in the cache, and then gives it to the user. This process is called lazy loading because data is only cached when needed. It keeps the cache size manageable and avoids wasting space on unused data. One big reason to use this pattern is performance. Accessing data from memory is much quicker than querying a disk-based database. This means faster response times for users, especially when they request the same data repeatedly. It helps keep your application responsive and smooth, even during busy times. Another advantage is reducing the load on your database. When many users request the same information, the cache handles most of those requests. This prevents the database from becoming a bottleneck, allowing it to focus on writing data or handling complex queries. As your user base grows, this pattern makes scaling easier because the cache can handle more read requests without extra strain on the database. It's also simple to control. Your application explicitly manages what gets cached and when it's invalidated. This makes debugging and maintaining the system easier. You can decide to update or remove cache entries when data changes, keeping everything consistent. Plus, because the cache management is handled by your code, switching cache providers or technologies is straightforward. You just change the cache interface, not the core logic. The pattern is especially useful when working with large datasets where only a small part is accessed frequently. Instead of loading everything into cache, you only cache what's needed. This saves space and keeps your system efficient. Of course, you need to handle some challenges. For example, if data is updated in the database, the cache might become outdated. You need strategies to invalidate or update cache entries to keep data consistent. Implementing retries or fallback mechanisms can help handle failures during cache updates. Overall, the cache-aside pattern is a smart choice for backend systems that want to improve performance, reduce database load, and scale smoothly. It gives you control over caching, helps manage resources better, and keeps your application running quickly and efficiently.